promote your business. And you can give an explosive boost to your complete internet marketing plan by running a paid marketing campaign on Facebook. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to amplify your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign step by step, accessing the Ads Manager and creating the campaign. To start creating a Facebook advertising campaign, you have to access the Facebook Ads Manager. You can access the Ads Manager by going to http://facebook.com/adsmanager/creation on your browser while logged into your Facebook account. That URL will take you to the campaign creation screen, where you have to select a campaign objective to get started. Campaign objectives are pre-built campaign setups that are optimized to help you achieve specific marketing goals. Because your marketing goal with this campaign is to increase your reach, you have to click on the Reach option under the Awareness column. Now enter a name for your new ad campaign in the Campaign Name field, and then click on the Set Up Ad Account button. Next, you have to select your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Click on Continue after selecting this info. Creating the ad set. Next up, you have to create the ad set for this campaign. First, enter a name for your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now select the Facebook page that you are going to promote from the Facebook page menu. Now you have to set up the target audience. With Facebook ads, you'll be able to hyper-target your audience for better results. First, select the locations that you're going to target in the Location section. To select the location, you have to type the name of a location in the text field above the map and to click on it to select it. You can target more than one location on a single campaign. After selecting a location, you can select to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now select the age of your target audience. Now select the gender of your audience. Now select the languages of the audience that you want to reach. To select a language, click in the Languages box. Type the initials of the language that you want to target, and click on it to select it. You can target more than one language. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. In the Connection section, you can select to reach users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. In the Placement section, you can select the placements where you want to show your Facebook ads. If you select Automatic Placements, your ads will appear to all users on all types of devices, across multiple placements that include Instagram and the Audience Network. If you select Edit Placements, you can select where you want to show your ads and on what devices. On the Budget and Schedule section, you have to select the budget and a schedule for your campaign. Select Daily Budget if you want to spend a fixed daily amount, or select Lifetime Budget if you want to spend your entire budget until your campaign ends or you deplete your budget. On Schedule, you can select Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today to run your ads until you stop them manually, or you can select Set a Start Date and an End Date to select when your ads start running and when the campaign ends. You can click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. Start by typing the name of your new ad in the Ad Name field. In the Identity section, you have to choose how you want to represent your business in your ad. By default, the Facebook page that you selected when you created the ad set will be selected here. Now you have to select your ad format. The ad formats available for this type of campaign are carousel and single image or video. Let's select single image or video. After selecting a format, you have to upload media to use on your ad. Select image if you're going to use an image. Select video or slideshow if you were going to use a video or slideshow. On the text section, you have to add your ad copy, ad text, and your ad URLs. Start by adding your ad copy to the text field. Now check the Add a Website URL box and enter your destination URL in the Website URL field. Now enter your ad headline into the Headline field. Now add a brief description or value proposition to the Newsfeed link description field. Now click on the Call to Action menu to add a Call to Action button to your ad. You can preview how your ad will appear on different placements in the Ad Preview window. You can click on the Confirm button to submit your ad for approval. Approval usually takes between 10 and 15 minutes. As you can see, running a paid ads campaign on Facebook is easy when you know the steps.